Our natural world is in crisis. Join the conversation today.
The owner has to put together the project team.
Mm-hmm.
And the two co-captains of that team is going to be the architect and the general contractor.
Mm-hmm.
So I think the owner, the developer, has to find relational synergies amongst those two players so that the three of us can talk to the point we can finish each other's sentences. There is a trust and a collaboration there that is perfect. That's the first point. So when I go to my weekly owner architect client meetings, when we kick those off, I tell my client, the owner, on Sunday night when you're at home and you're looking at your schedule for the week and you see we have our OAC meeting, we call them, coming up this week, that needs to be the number one meeting that you look forward to every week. And if it's not, then I'm not doing my job, right? Because I want you to look at that calendar and go, oh, God, I love this guy. I love this company. I love the team I've put together. I love the trust that we've built, the care that exists, the sincerity that exists, the work ethic, the respect. I mean, we're striving for perfection in these relationships. So that's the number one thing. Doesn't matter what the project is. Owners need to make sure they're being supported, because owners, with all due respect, as smart as they are, usually when it comes to construction, they're ignorant. Because that's not what they do. They're not an architect.
Right.
They're not
They have preconceived notions of some sort, that may not be accurate. Yeah.
Yeah. So they need an architect they can trust and a builder that they can trust, and two people that are working together that aren't playing the blame game. And then the second most important element, again, regardless of the project size or type, is that the owner has to take responsibility for pointing that project team in the true north, right? What's the true north of this project? And that can be, I want LEED Platinum.
Building the future. Green building in the new millennium. Brought to you by Sustainable Homes of the Future. Join in.